Everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to D Drive Limited. Ajke we have a very special occasion because we have the Toyota Hilux Surf, a proper genuine SUV, the 4x4. So let's go to the walk around of the Hilux. So starting off with the back side of the Hilux Surf, and here comes aftermarket exhaust tip just positioned over here, and beneath we can see here there is the spare wheel. So here comes the rims, and those are in great, huge. Those are aftermarket Bangladeshi seat covers, which are not really great, you know. Definitely very comfortable sitting position, cushion seats, but there is something missing, which is the cup holders. Though it's a 2006 model, but I don't think expecting a cup holder would be that much crazy. And we can see a moonroof too. That's the front fascia of the vehicle, the passenger seat and the driver's seat. So we will move on to the passenger seat at first, then the driver's seat. Let's go. There are some aftermarket fittings here and there. We can see the footsteps right here with the ambient light, which is aftermarket definitely. Fabric and some leather touch here and there with the speakers. Glove box ample amount of space, and yeah, that's something really comfortable. Let's explore the driver's seat. If you come to the front fascia, then you can see there the high beams not are in LED, but the actual one is aftermarket fitted, and the indicators set over here. Just for better visibility, these stuffs are added. And the Toyota emblem just positioned in the middle between the grills. Huge air intake space. And there comes the fog light. The most awaiting moment, the driver's seat of the vehicle, which is always special, comes with some special features and special facilities. The functionalities and the adjustable seat. Not complete power, but kinda power. Let's go to the driver's seat. So like, it's not a push start, it's a key start. If you just put it on, then the car's power ups. Gas cluster. This is the speedometer, the RPM meter, and gear shifting 1, 2, 3 L. So as it's a 4x4, you need to keep one thing. This is 2-wheel drive, this is 4-wheel drive, which you can shift between. The gear knob, light up your cigarette, a 12 volt or a 120 watt power outlet, and you can see the cup holders here, which divides definitely. Papers here and there, and this is the AC control and all of the features right there. That's the hazards button. Huge glove box. That's it. That's all over here. So let's go for a test drive of this Toyota Hilux Surf 2006 model.
ভিডিও কথা বলবো আমরা কথা বললে সমস্যা আছে
না খুব বেশি না বলাই ভালো
আচ্ছা
সোজা দিয়ে বামে আসি, আচ্ছা ঘুরে আসি।
ফুল কাটা না হ্যাঁ গেছে ভাই